what do you know about eye? The visual system gives information about size, shape, color, luminosity, and movements of object in the external world. Discuss the focus mechanism in the eye. Light rays entering the eye are redirected or refracted. Refraction occurs through three surfaces of the eye before the light reaches the retina. The retina includes cornea, front surface of the lens, rear surface of the lens. The first of the refracting surface is the cornea, then the front surface of the lens, and finally the rear surface of the lens. Between the cornea and the lens is a colorless, watery fluid called aqueous humor. At the back of the eye, between the lens and the retina, is the vitreous humor made of a gelatinous mucoprotein. The humors are transparent so that transmission of light through the cavities of the eye to the retina are not normally impeded. Human eye has a lens apparatus whose convexity can be adjusted for focusing near and distant objects. This ability of the eyes to focus objects at varying distances is called the accommodation. The accommodation is achieved due to suspensory ligament, ciliary muscle, and ciliary body. When a normal eye is looking at a distant object, the ciliary muscles are fully relaxed and parallel rays from the object come to focus on the retina. Hence, a clear image is seen. When the object is brought close to the eye, the refractive power of the eye is increased by the process of accommodation. The increase in refractive power is the result of an increase in the curvature of anterior surface of the lens. This avoids the blurred image for a closer object. Similar accommodation happens for viewing a distant object by stretching the suspensory ligament attached to the lens. This act alters the contour of the lens. Let us know about the visual pathway. The axons of ganglion cells pass through the eyeball at the posterior end and form the optic nerve which enters the cranial cavity. Therefore, this region of the retina lacks receptors and is unable to perceive images which fall on it. This region is called optic disc, and when charting the field of vision, it is referred to as the blind spot.